In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Copilot with your content sources such as blogs, news, and social media to gather and summarize relevant content and distribute it effectively to your audience. Let's dive into this comprehensive guide that will help you streamline your content curation process using Copilot. First, let's talk about connecting Copilot to your various content sources. Before we start, ensure you have access to these platforms and are ready to integrate them with Copilot. Begin by navigating to the Settings or Integration section in your Copilot dashboard. Here, you'll find an option to connect external sources. Connecting your content sources is a crucial step, allowing Copilot to pull in information from the places where you regularly consume updates and news. Depending on the platform you're using, be it blogs, various news outlets, or social media sites, you may need to authorize Copilot to access each of these services. For a smooth integration, simply follow the on-screen prompts. This often involves logging into your content source and granting permission for Copilot to access the feed. Make sure your login details are at hand to facilitate this process. Remember, by doing this, you're enabling Copilot to access a vast array of data, which will serve as the foundation for creating engaging content. Now that you have your sources connected, it's time to utilize Copilot's power to gather and summarize relevant content on specific topics. This is where Copilot truly shines, helping you curate content that resonates with your audience. Start by choosing a topic. Enter this topic into Copilot's search or query function, where its AI algorithms will work to compile content from all your connected sources. Give it a moment as it scans through the information to find the most relevant pieces. Think of Copilot as your personal researcher, sifting through oceans of information to provide just what's needed. Once Copilot has done its magic, you'll see a summarized view of the most pertinent content. This summary includes the key points and insights from articles, posts, and documents. This step not only saves time, but also provides a comprehensive overview without you having to read everything in detail. It's like having a distilled version of the information without losing its essence. Finally, let's talk about reviewing and distributing the curated content to your audience. With the summarized content at your disposal, review it to ensure it meets your quality standards and aligns with your brand voice. This step is critical as it allows you to maintain control over what gets shared.